Why use def main? I've seen some code samples and tutorials that use. But why? Is there any reason not to define your functions at the top of the file, then just write code under it? E.e. I just wonder if there is any rhyme to the main.
Without the main sentinel, the code would be executed even if the script were imported as a module. Everyone else has already answered it, but I think I still have something else to add. Reasons to have that if statement calling main, in no particular order. Other languages, like C and Java, have a main function that is called when the program is executed. Using this if, we can make Python behave like them, which feels more familiar for many people. Code will be cleaner, easier to read, and better organized. Yeah, I know this is subjective. It will be possible to import that Python code as a module without nasty side effects. This means it will be possible to run tests against that code. This means we can import that code into an interactive Python shell and test/debug/run it. Variables inside def main are local, while those outside it are global. This may introduce a few bugs and unexpected behaviors. But, you are not required to write a main function and call it inside an if statement. I myself usually start writing small throwaway scripts without any kind of function. If the script grows big enough, or if I feel putting all that code inside a function will benefit me, then I refactor the code and do it. This also happens when I write bash scripts. Even if you put code inside the main function, you are not required to write it exactly like that. A neat variation could be: this means you can call main from other scripts, or interactive shell, passing custom parameters. This might be useful in unit tests, or when batch processing. But remember that the code above will require parsing of arg, thus maybe it would be better to use a different call that parse parameters already parsed. In an object-oriented application I've written, the code looked like this. So, feel free to write the code that better suits you. Smile.
If the content of foo.py. A file foo.py can be used in two ways. Imported in another file, import foo. In this case _name_ is foo. The code section does not get executed and does not print 4x. Executed directly, Python foo.py. When it is executed directly, _name_ is same as _main_ and the code in that section is executed and prints 4x. One of the use of this functionality to write various kind of unit tests within the same module.
What does if _name_equals_main_column do? Has already been answered. Having a main function allows you to call its functionality if you import the module. The main, though pun intended, benefit of this, imho, is that you can unit test it.